Hi and welcome to another video. It's Money Day. In this video I will be selling all of my crypto portfolio, so my holdings in Ethereum and in Bitcoin, or at least into the value of it here on Revolut, because as we know I haven't been buying the Bitcoin itself or Ethereum itself. But anyways, I bought into both of these cryptocurrencies, or their values at around 97 euros and a half for both, and I'm at 159 for Ethereum and 172 euros for Bitcoin. So yeah, I'm selling these for profit, even though they were up a little more. Bitcoin is at around $55,000 right now, and it was up 60,000 last weekend. But I'm gonna sell now because I think that the market's gonna drop, and it's dropping right now. So I might get back and buy some crypto in a short time, but not right now, and I'm selling right now. So that's what we're gonna do here. And yeah, as I've said, I'm looking for different like applications to start investing in crypto in a more regular way. So if you have any consideration as to things apps you consider would be good for us for Money Day, then please let me know. Anyways, we're selling, so here we go. I'm gonna sell all of it, 0.0036864 Bitcoin. So it'll give me 167 euros, so still 67 euros profit because the fee is of 4 euros and 30 cents. So huge fee right here, but here we go. Yeah, anyways, you can see what's written here. 1.5% fee. Yeah, we have the 2.5% fee, but anyways, I'm okay with this. Perfect. Okay. Now we're just going to go ahead and sell Ethereum too. There we go. 6 months. Okay. Let's go and sell. $343. There we go. 150 euros. Confirm order. There we go. We've sold all of our portfolio right now.